Have you seen this? Our Indian army has conducted a successful surgical strike.
Oh, really? That's great. Here is a letter.
Asma? Asma! Where are you? Come here quickly.
What's the matter? Why are you so upset?
Wait, you will be upset too. Let her come. Asma!
Yes, Dad. What's the matter?
What is it? You had applied to join defense?
What? How could you even think about it?
She had appeared for the exam and this is her appointment letter.
Asma, is it true? You had gone so far without informing us.
Mom, Dad, I knew you won't permit me to pursue my dreams. I had always wanted to serve my country.
There are many other ways to serve your country. Go for IAS, IPS and serve your country.
But Dad, I want to become a frontline warrior. I'm passionate about the zeal, attitude, uniform and the valor.
Asma, please understand, you are all we have. How can we consent to send you to face death every day?
If I were a boy, would you say the same? You would be proud of me, right? It's just because I'm a girl, you're not ready to send me.
Yes, you are right. Defense is not for girls and I will never send you. We are looking for a groom and you will get married as soon as possible. And you will get married as soon as possible.
Asma? Asma? Where are you? Asma? Oh my god, what is this?
Dear Mom and Dad, please forgive me for disappointing you. You left me with no choice. I had to leave. I want to be in the Indian Army. It's my only dream since childhood. I wish you could feel proud of me. I will miss you a lot. Bless me so that I can become a brave soldier, not less than any boy. With love, your disobedient daughter, Asma.
Asma!
What is it? Why are you crying?
See this. Our Asma has left. She is gone. Our daughter is gone. Please bring her back.
No, I won't. She has left the house without our consent. She has to come back on her own. You don't worry. Do you think military training is easy? She will come back soon. Let her face the reality. She will be back.
Boys and girls, welcome to the Indian Army. Thank you, sir. Tomorrow onwards, intense training will start. You will get your agenda by tonight. Remember, there is no mercy for anyone during training. Copy, sir. Louder. Copy, sir. Stand at ease.
Sir, this is Asma Malik. I'm also part of this camp.
Oh, really? But you are late.
I'm sorry, sir. I have come a long way.
Show me your appointment letter. Is this a joke? And you are expecting to join the army with this seriousness?
Please, sir, allow me to join the camp. I have left everything behind only to join the camp. My father didn't consent to let me come here. I have left my home. Please give me a chance. I will not disappoint you.
Okay, I will see you for a month. If you can prove yourself, you will be a part of this camp.
Thank you, sir.
Group, I will see you all tomorrow. Be ready for the training. Dismiss now.
Copy, sir.
So, delicate darlings, are you going for this tough training?
Leave it, yaar. They will run away in 3 days.
You are wrong. They will run away in 2 days.
Challenge.
Challenge.
Look at them. How will we survive here if they behave like this?
I'm really nervous. Shall we quit? I'm also doubtful they will not let us survive here.
No, I won't quit. I'm fighting with it at my home also. Why shall we give up? Just because these men think that we are weak, we can't be the frontline warrior? If we quit, they will win. I will try till my last breath. I want to break this taboo. We are also with you.
इन गर्दिशों के बादलों पे चढ़ के वक्त का गिरेबा पकड़ के पूछना है जीत का पता
इन मुट्ठियों में चांद तारे भर के आसमां की हद से गुजर के हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा कहने को सर्रा है तू लोहे का छर्रा है तू टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो
कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदेया हर मैदान फतेह
कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह
Hello?
Mom,
Asma, how are you, my child?
I'm perfectly fine, Mom. How are you and Dad?
We are also okay. I am always worried for you, and so is your dad.
I know, Mom. I am sorry for what I have done. But can I request you something? This 15th August, can you and Dad come here at our camp? Please, Mom. Please come.
This Independence Day. Okay, I will try to convince your dad.
Okay, Mom. I will eagerly wait for you.
Bye, my child.
Bye, Mom. I love you both.
Come, this way. Stand here.
But where is our daughter? Can you see her?
No.
Excuse me, are you Azma's parents?
Yes, sir.
Major KP Singh, Commander-in-Chief. I am Azma's mentor.
Oh, hello, sir. Where is our daughter? Is she okay?
She is perfectly alright. She has successfully completed her training. She is the best of the troop. There she is, Wing Commander, Azma Malik. You know what? We always think big for our sons, and the dreams of our daughters are often torn off. Like this. Our daughters also need encouragement, but we fail to believe in their dreams.
Yes, sir. You are right. I was wrong. And today I can say without any doubt, I am proud of her.
We are proud of her.
भूला जिसे तुझको बोला करता है